Hi everybody. I'm so excited. I wanted to show you the results of my last video, the dried painting. It turned out so nicely and it's so shiny and glossy. I love it. This is it right here. Don't know if you can see. You can see it a little bit, the shimmer on it. It turned out fantastic. I'm so happy with the results of this. It's nice and shimmery. I'll put a nice little coat of varnish on it. Very pretty. And then also have the one from before that. That also has a really nice sheen on it. So there you go. Just wanted to share that with you. Hi everyone. How are you today? Right in here, I have a couple of colors that I haven't used in the past. A couple of extreme sheen colors. This is a coral. It's beautiful. And this is a aquamarine. I also have my phthalo blue, my favorite standby, my ultramarine blue, and I have a copper penny. And the plan is I am going to just do some lines across the center of my canvas. This is a 12 by 24 inch canvas. I've already put a layer of white paint down. It's the thinned out paint that I use with my blow dryer pours. And go in with the copper. Don't want a lot of the copper. Ultramarine. And some of this beautiful coral. I flood my canvas, the top and the bottom. It's my Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White, and I've thinned it down. It's got about 1 part paint to 1.5 parts Floetrol, and then I thin it down with water so that I can blow it out with the blow dryer. So here we go. Wow, that is really pretty. That coral is amazing. It's going to be so shiny when it's done. Some beautiful lacing in here and some beautiful cells popping up. Give it a torch. Any air bubbles in here. Kind of want to blow on it right there because I can see a lot of color underneath. But that extreme sheen may pop through on its own. Gosh, it's beautiful. Okay. So there is my air swipe. Move it a little bit. There's quite a bit of paint right in this area here, but I think it'll be all right. because those cells are amazing. Let me pick this up and give you a close-up of these beautiful cells going on here. Check out that lacing right there. It's amazing. Amazing. Beautiful wispy edges. Really pretty cells popping up with that extreme sheen. Like right in there. That's beautiful. I think that's my favorite spot right there. And then over here, that Aquamarine popping up through. It's gorgeous. I'm going to blow on it a little bit right here. There we go. Blend that in a little bit. Okay, now my Extreme Sheen paints, I've just mixed them 50% paint and 50% Floetrol, and I've added a little bit of water to make them a little more fluid for this method. So if you want to try it yourself, then what you can do is you take your Extreme Sheen, like I was able to get these in the 2-ounce bottles. You might be able to find them in bigger bottles in some places, but I dumped the paint out into my container, put my Floetrol in there and shook it up real good, about halfway, and then filled it up, shook it up real good, and poured it out. And then I thinned it out to consistency. So that makes it just absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. We'll see an air bubble here I'm going to get rid of. So there you have it, guys. Thanks for visiting with me. I appreciate it. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll see what I can do to answer them. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you again. Bye.